To cash out on DoorDash for the first time, start by opening the DoorDash app and navigating to the Earnings tab. This is where you can view your current balance and available cash out options. DoorDash offers two main cash out options: Fast Pay and Next Day Pay, with Fast Pay being the more immediate option but also incurring a small fee. To proceed with cashing out, tap on the Cash Out button and select your preferred cash out method. You can choose to cash out to a debit card, bank account, or other supported payment methods. If you have not already, you will need to add a payment method to your DoorDash account. This can be done by tapping on the Add Payment Method button and following the prompts to enter your payment information. Once you have selected your payment method, review the cash out details to ensure everything is correct. This includes the amount being cashed out, any applicable fees, and the expected delivery time of the funds. If everything looks good, confirm the cash out and the funds will be transferred to your selected payment method. It is worth noting that DoorDash has a minimum cash out amount, and you will need to have earned at least this amount before you can cash out. Additionally, DoorDash may have certain requirements or restrictions in place for new Dashers, such as a waiting period before you can cash out for the first time. To avoid any issues with cashing out, make sure your payment information is up to date and accurate. You should also be aware of any applicable fees associated with cashing out, as these can vary depending on the payment method and cash out option you choose. By following these steps and being mindful of the key concepts and best practices, you can successfully cash out on DoorDash for the first time and start enjoying the benefits of being a DoorDash Dasher.